Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright, today we're gonna talk about the Eddoe plant and the update and how they're growing. Yes, we're gonna take a tour through the Eddoe patch and we're gonna see exactly what's going on. We're gonna see the growth. We're gonna see how much they're producing callaloo. We're gonna see a lot. Alright, so up inside here, as you can see, guys, we have a Eddoe patch, and this Eddoe patch is producing callaloo like wildfire. They're producing some real big roots. The great thing about this is, guys, when you grow in Eddoe, you have to make sure that there's no white root exposed. No white root at all cannot be exposed. It's important to keep all roots covered, because the roots that pushing is actually what giving us the food. So the more you cover them is the more you stand a chance of getting more food and bigger food. As we see going down inside here, we see we need to add some soil down inside here, because we see these roots is getting really big and we want to make sure that we could get a nice harvest. So far, what we're seeing, the plants them is growing. Some of them is almost 6 feet tall. Yes, some of them is almost 6 feet tall and they're growing really well. These are the callaloo that we choose, that we use, but I'm not taking no callaloo from this patch. I'm taking callaloo from the other patch over there. As we can see here, we're seeing a real massive root of Eddoe coming up here. We see a few like a white root on the ground there, so we have to come in here and make sure we cover these roots, because we're looking for a big harvest and big Eddoes. Like I keep mentioning, what we love about our Eddoe crop is we can feed from this crop until the fall. You see, if you notice here, these Eddoes just keep pushing up new plants. It's like a banana plant. Keep pushing up new plants. So while they're pushing up these new plants, you got to be in here covering them. The good thing I like what I did, I make sure when they was small and they was growing, I make sure I put a lot of soil around them. Lot of soil. So now if we notice, we hardly seeing any root at this stage, which is really important. The crop is doing really well, guys. All over here, we have Eddoes growing over here too, and their root is really massive. It's some real massive Eddoe leaf, and I'm grateful and I appreciate it. For what I'm seeing, the update is amazing. These things is growing like wildfire. Alright, we still have more. This is another patch here. Let me see the root. Let me see what's going on with the root. Alright, the root them is well covered with soil, which is very important, like I'm saying. This is another one right here. Big root, but no root is exposed. That's what's matter, because you, like I said, the soil, the more soil they get around their root, is the more bigger the plant get, and you stand a chance of getting more big Eddoe plant, more big Eddoe root. All this is going over here. We can be eating from these plants, go right through the summer into the winter, fall. These beautiful leaf here is where you call callaloo. Over this side here is where I harvest my callaloo from, and this is another big patch of Eddoes. Not a big patch of Eddoes growing up down here. Oh wow, we have a ginger in here, but the ginger is struggling because these Eddoes is covering it. But these Eddoes as well, you're not seeing no root exposed. And that is good, because that's why they're growing like this, because the root is not exposed. So the more soil, the bigger they grow, the more Eddoe we can get. Bigger root of Eddoe we can get. So when you're growing eddoes, guys, it's important to always keep soil around their root. Very important, because that's how you want to get great production. So we have a lot of eddoe, and guys, these eddoes come from 3 eddoes I purchased from one of them food market. We sell all different kind of food. I purchased the 3 eddoes, and that's where I start out. From the time I start out, every year it keep multiplying. It keep multiplying. Look behind here. It have a patch behind here as well. Look behind here, that's another patch of eddoe that I got to clean out, which I don't think I'm even doing. I'm not even doing that. But this is a patch of eddoes. Let me show you more eddoes, guys. More eddoes. Up to the top here, up to the top here, if you notice, this is a dasheen right here. If you notice, we have a small patch right here. Small patch of eddoes. Alright, and then look, go over here again. This is another patch of eddoes.